Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Hope you guys have a wonderful and amazing day. So today in this video, I am going to show you guys another delicious recipe that you're gonna love it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to cook this Mongolian beef. Oh my god, this is so good and so delicious. So before we go ahead and start, if you are new or not subscribed yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell button so you notify if I upload new home cooking videos in the future. So go ahead and start. Subscribe my YouTube channel. So first we are going to marinate our beef with 3 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine and 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 egg, black pepper, salt, probably just 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And now we're gonna go ahead and mix it with our hand. Let's go ahead and mix until the meat coat with the mixture. And we're gonna go and set aside this and marinate for 30 minutes. And next we are going to make the sauce. Of course, we're gonna need 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of water, cold water, 1/4 cup of sugar, and mix all the mixture. Mix the sauce. And set aside. Now, while we are marinating our beef, we're gonna need to cut the root part of the scallion. Go ahead and cut it. Take this off. And we are going to cut the end because we don't need the dry one. Cut the scallion probably 2-inch apart, like that. Set aside. We're gonna need 8 cloves of garlic, and now we are going to fry the beef. So let's go ahead and heat the oil in medium-high heat. Guys, and fry the beef. So let's fry the beef for about like 4 to 5 minutes. Let's just repeat the process for the next batch of beef. 3 tablespoons of oil.
So let's saute the garlic here until it's golden brown.
And now it's time to add the beef. Just mix it. Good. Let's add the sauce that we made earlier. Mix it. Oh my god, it looks delicious already. Oh my god. Now it's time to add the scallion. Is that amazing? Is that amazing? Oh my god, this is so amazing. So here guys, our Mongolian beef. I'm going to try it. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm speechless. Oh my god. Even though it's simple and easy, but the taste, it's a bomb. Oh my god, you're gonna love this one, guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up, click like and share, and please don't forget to subscribe. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have an amazing day.